Hello, hello. Okay, we are on task 1 for 5.4. So this is on page, what page are we on? We are on page 159. We are on 159, page 159. So I had to check really quick. Usually I check before I start the video. Okay, so we're in task 1. Let's get started. We have Jack. Jack is at the supermarket. He finds a 5-pound bag of flour and a 2-pound bag of flour priced as shown to the side. Which of these 2 bags of flour is the better buy? So just something to think about here. We have our 2. We have $2.69. This is the 5-pound bag, and this is the 2-pound bag. So it's $2.69 for 5 pounds and $1.89 for 2 pounds. An easy way for me to see which one is, is we're going to work through this problem to figure out the answer to this question, which of the 2 bags of flour is the better buy. You might be able to kind of like do it in your head to figure it out, but we're still going to do this problem together. Okay, part A, write a rate to represent the cost per pound of the 5-pound bag of flour. So for the 5-pound bag of flour, what we're going to do is we are going to write this out as, $2.69 for 5 pounds. Okay. Now we're going to find the unit cost of the 5-pound bag of flour in dollars per pound. And we're going to round our number to the nearest cent. So for this one, we have our rate, but we need to find the unit rate, which the unit rate is right when we take the unit, one of those quantities, and we get it down to 1. So it's like per one thing. So for this part, what we're going to do is we're going to start with our rate that we already have, right, which is the $2.69. And then per 5 pounds. Okay, so in order to get this 5 to be a 1, we're going to divide it by 5, because 5 divided by 5 is 1. Like that. And what we divide on the bottom, we have to divide on the top. So you're just going to put the same thing in that box right there. So now we have $2.69 or $1.69 per, or divided by 5. And that equals, I'm going to write it above really quick, but you don't, it's 0.538. Oh, actually, no, there's space. We have space. What am I talking about? So if we have, because we have 2 boxes, so now it's going to be, 0.538. And then what we're going to do is we're going to round this to the nearest cent, which would be 0.54. Okay, perfect. All right, so now we have the cost for the 5-pound bag per pound. Now we're going to find the unit cost of the 2-pound bag of flour in dollars per pound. So what we have is, what did we figure out? It was $1.89. So we have $1.89 per 2 pounds. And we're going to do the same steps. To get from 2 to 1, we're going to divide this by 2. And what you do on the bottom, you got to do on the top. So now we have $1.89 divided by 2, which is 0.945. And we're going to round this to the nearest cent. So it's going to be 0.95. So 95 cents. Okay, so looking at these two, which of these 2 bags of flour offers the best value? Well, we could say when we look at these two, the one with a better value is the one that's cheaper. So the 5-pound bag is the better value because it is cheaper per pound. Yay! Okay, there you go. Move on to task number 2.